Beautiful, beautiful day. Guess what, guys? We're out here today trying to drop off some package at the post office for our zip mail customers. Yes, we do have customers that receive packages via the post office, and the product that we use from the post office is called zip mail. Zip mail, I tell you, is not snail mail. Yes, I got jokes. Zip mail is not snail mail. So this is how it works. Yes, so zip mail, as I say, is not snail mail. This is how it works. So some of you guys live out in more remote areas. For instance, like St. Thomas, where we do not have Knutsford Express. So that way now, what I do, I send your packages via the post office. Now this product allows you to, I give you a tracking number. You can go on Jamaica Post and track your package just like you would with other services that we present. And this works just fine for you. You get your package the following day or the day after. Zip mail is for persons in remote areas. You can use zip mail, don't worry about it. We got you. Zip mail.
Yard, abroad. You have been watching our videos, but I know you don't create your shipping account. What you're waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time it takes to watch this video. You know, want shipping items them to Jamaica at your doorstep, 25% of what FedEx or DHL will cost you. What you wait for? Do it. Click the link in the description box below and sign up now. Create your free shipping account. What you wait for? We are in the streets. Watch me.